Some small business owners take a leap of faith from their stable jobs to follow their dreams and start their own. So many don't know, though, about a resource statewide available to help set up your passion and set it up for success. News Center Maine's Clay Gordon has more.
Healthy sprinkling of salt.
Nina Murray owns Cove Baking Co. The small business uses kitchen space in Portland's Fork Food Lab to make 2 different types of crackers. Her products are in 26 locations around the state.
It was a very big undertaking to go from being an employee of another business to getting a bank loan and hiring your own employees and figuring out your business plan and your financials.
Garden Street Bowl in Kennebunk is a 10-lane bowling alley with a full restaurant and bar. The co-owners were in the restaurant business already, but never the bowling business. They were planning on renovating the old Garden Street Market.
It was a complicated process in buying a property and also dealing with someone that was leasing it, and it was unusual, and especially unusual for first-timers that just had the experience in the restaurant business.
Both businesses got help from a free Maine resource.
Maine's Small Business Development Center has been around for 40 years, helping local entrepreneurs and small businesses in the state grow. The state director, Mark Delisle, just returned from a trip to Washington, D.C. this week to present his full report to Maine's lawmakers.
We're fortunate we have great support among all 4 of our offices down in Washington on the Senate and the House side.
And the report highlighting 661 new or retained jobs. The center assisting 98 programs to get off the ground and raising over $44 million in capital. In short, acquiring funds to grow and expand Maine businesses.
I still can't believe it's free.
It was like seeing a lawyer, seeing an accountant, seeing a business planner, all in one.
Experience and their knowledge to help guide us in the right direction.
And you get kind of buried in the weeds and you just try to figure, well, if I just run a little faster, if I just work a little bit harder, I'll be successful. Sometimes you have to really take a deep breath, step back, meet with somebody that can give you kind of a different perspective.
This past year, they assisted more than 1,400 clients across its 22 locations in the state. I'm Clay Gordon, News Center, Maine.